Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 270L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps low-roof limited van. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 153096. MOT, 24 May 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine has seized. Will need repairing or replacing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, expensive, solid, rhino roof rack, and ladder set grin. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,925. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.